Meaning and nature of management. Management is the backbone of organizational success, guiding the efficient utilization of resources and the pursuit of objectives. It is a dynamic and continuous process encompassing planning, organizing, leading, and controlling activities. Management principles are universally applicable across industries and sectors. It draws upon various disciplines such as economics, psychology, sociology, and engineering. Effective management involves ethical considerations and social responsibility. Management plays a pivotal role in adapting to changing environments and maintaining organizational competitiveness. Meaning of management. Management is the process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling resources within an organization. It involves making decisions, coordinating activities, and allocating resources to achieve specific goals and objectives. Management encompasses various functions and activities aimed at guiding individuals and groups towards common goals. It focuses on achieving results through the effective utilization of available resources. Management considers ethical, social, and environmental considerations in decision-making processes. Nature of management. Management principles are applicable across various organizations, regardless of size, industry, or sector. Management is an ongoing and evolving process that involves continuous planning, organizing, leading, and controlling activities. It draws upon insights from various disciplines such as economics, psychology, sociology, and engineering to address complex organizational challenges. Management is focused on achieving specific organizational objectives and goals through efficient resource utilization. Managers are responsible for making decisions at different levels of the organization to solve problems, allocate resources, and pursue opportunities. Effective management requires strong interpersonal and communication skills to interact with employees, stakeholders, and external parties. Management is often structured hierarchically, with managers having formal authority and responsibility for guiding and directing subordinates. Management considers ethical principles and social responsibilities during decision-making. Management strives to efficiently utilize all available resources, such as human capital, financial assets, technology, and physical infrastructure, to enhance productivity and attain organizational objectives. Management fosters innovation to stay competitive in a changing business environment.